Many businesses today are hitting a plateau in revenue growth, not due to a lack of opportunities, but because their sales teams are stretched too thin. With only so many hours in a day, time spent qualifying leads, answering basic questions, and waiting on responses eats into time that should be used for closing deals. In a previous release, we introduced an AI-powered sales qualification agent that automatically engaged with and researched each lead, helping sales teams quickly identify those with genuine buying interest. Now, this latest update takes things further. The agent can drive leads deeper into the qualification process and increase the pipeline of valuable opportunities with greater accuracy and efficiency. When the agent encounters obstacles, it doesn't stop. It immediately escalates stalled leads or blockers to a manager. For example, Andre. In the updated Supervisor dashboard, Andre gets a full overview of how agents are performing in relation to key company metrics. He spots a flagged lead, a high-potential prospect who hasn't replied despite several follow-ups. On the upgraded lead research page, Andre can see every step the agent has taken, verifying the email, matching it to CRM records, and pulling in external data to evaluate the lead's fit, intent, and engagement. It's even been marked as high priority. Given the lead's value, Andre hands it over to a salesperson for a more personalized follow-up before making a final decision. Previously, overwhelmed sales teams often missed top leads due to limited research time. Now the agent takes on that burden, ensuring promising leads aren't overlooked. While the qualification agent is ready to use right out of the box, organizations with more complex needs can build custom agents that link Dynamics 365 data to external applications like Claude. Thanks to the new Dynamics 365 Sales Model Context Protocol (MCP) server, these integrations are quick and easy. No months-long setups required. Simply add the MCP server in Copilot Studio and you're good to go. Sellers like Alex can now rely on their favorite AI assistant to help them sort leads, personalize outreach, generate quotes, and close deals more efficiently. While these agents support both sellers and managers, this update also introduces dedicated tools for sales leaders. These experiences allow them to streamline sales operations, track performance across teams and regions, and make faster, smarter decisions, all in a self-service environment. For example, Anne, a sales executive, can instantly dive into sales performance metrics using intelligent suggestions. Behind the scenes, a planner agent coordinates multiple AI agents to collect, process, and interpret data into actionable insights. She can explore these findings and understand the rationale behind them with a single click. With a clear view of her team's current position, Anne can review targets and fine-tune account strategies. By simply asking a business-related question, the system analyzes data from various angles and proposes practical next steps. Interactive visuals allow her to adjust insights in real time as her strategy evolves. The agent also evaluates pipeline health, seller conversion rates, and quota attainment, providing suggestions on how to improve. It simplifies territory planning by identifying areas of imbalance and highlighting where some team members may be overloaded, all with the goal of making better, data-driven decisions. This release brings together everything needed for smarter selling. AI agents that expand capacity without adding headcount, supervisor tools to track and boost performance, flexibility for custom workflows, and leadership insights that drive business growth. Smarter sales, stronger teams, bigger results, powered by Dynamics 365 Sales.